So, hi everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. And I'm waiting for few people to join in. So, let us just wait and stay super excited because today, what we are going to show you is something that will tickle your heart and your mind, and also you would want to walk into Amrit, or there's some beautiful place that you would want to visit to. So I'm waiting for few people to join. I can see a lot of people joining. That is Mitali. Hi Mitali. Hi Jairaj, how are you? Hi Manisha ma'am, how are you? Hello everyone. Hi Pooja. I see all of these beautiful people who are joining us, and today what we are going to show you is going to thrill your heart and your mind because these offers are amazing. I mean, just not the offer, okay? The place that I'm going to take you is going to be the super most favorite place of yours. So I'm waiting for few more people to join us. Hi Rashmi, how are you? Hello. Okay, so there are lots of people who are sending me a request, and I would want to join them also. We are going to take some question answers round as well at the end of the video. I'm very sure I'm going to attend everyone and answer every one of you, and also would want you to join us with whatever questions you have and put up all your questions in a comment section also. So if in case I miss out on someone, I will answer them after the live session gets over. So, yes. Hi Patel ji, how are you? Hi Sonu, how are you? Your DP, your profile picture looks very beautiful. Okay, so I think I have a lot of people who have joined in. And let me just begin. So recently I found a lot of questions coming up with people that they love shopping. Okay, they love shopping. Hi Ankit, how are you? Hi Monica. Yes, I'm going to reply to all of you. I know you guys are super excited about today's live session, but let me tell you before moving ahead, this live session is for all the lovely ladies out there, just not for brides. I'm telling you, I'm very sure about today's live session because this live is going to help you a lot, help a lot of people. I've nowadays seen is want to become an influencer or a blogger, or people love to change their wardrobe very quick. So this live session is especially for those people who are willing to change their wardrobe for the summer. So let us just quickly begin. I am going to take you to the place where you guys are super excited to go. So moving ahead, we'll just flip the camera and take you to the place exactly right there. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it's a desktop that is open over here, and I am taking you to a virtual world of Amrut. Like, this world is so new and so amazing that you will fall in love with this virtual world. I mean, I hope you all can see this amazing screen, this amazing website of Amrut that we are up with, and we are taking a virtual tour in our live session today. So guys, you can see this website, you can see the home video that is playing, so beautiful. And I mean, just look at this website, it's so neat, it's so clean. I will take a tour of yours, but just taking you a rough run on the website. और आप देख ही सकते हो कि ये वेबसाइट इतनी स्मूथ है एक्सेस में, इसके जो इफेक्ट्स है, आई मीन इसके जो भी फीचर्स है, आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट यू गाइज आर गोना फॉल इन लव and would want to visit Amrut again and again on our virtual shopping. Okay, now moving on to our website. This website is called as amrut.co. It is universal. You can access this website wherever you are. You just don't need to be at India or at Coimbatore or in Canada. It is not mandatory. You can be anywhere across the world. आप कहीं से भी easily shopping कर सकते हो. Now moving on to our next thing is, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको इंटरेस्टिंग तो साउंड कर ही रही होगी, बट इसके अलावा नाउ इफ यू मूव डाउन, it's so easy that one click and this takes you to the virtual shopping world wherein you can get in touch with our style expert. और आप आपकी अपॉइंटमेंट भी यहाँ से ही easily बुक कर सकते हो. दैट यू हैव टू जस्ट सिलेक्ट योर डेट एंड देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट योर टाइमिंग्स. And then you can easily get in touch with our style expert who will help you to shop for your wedding, for your parties, for any functions of yours. Now moving on over here, we do ship. If you can clearly see, we do ship worldwide, and also we are running on a very good offer. That is, we are giving you worldwide free shipping. Here you can see we are giving you worldwide free shipping, guys. Let me just tell you specifically that this shipping is not chargeable. We are giving you free shipping on any garment that you purchase. Now, if you can clearly see, we are running with an amazing offer that is 50% off. Does that sound interesting to you? There are a lot of offers also, just not 50%, but there are amazing more offers. But before moving to this, let me take you to our brand's USP. That is our bridal couture collection. Guys, just look at this. I mean, just have a very clear look. Every garment is on an amazing discount. Like, see, if you can see, it's 20%. It's on these heavy garments. ये सारे garments पे इतने amazing discounts लगे हैं कि आपको देखते ही ऐसा मन करेगा कि चलो लेट्स शॉप. कोई भी आपकी वेडिंग आ रही है या कोई भी फंक्शन आ रहा है, आप इजीली ये लहंगे शॉप कर सकते हो. नाउ क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस गारमेंट, इफ यू लाइक इट, यू कैन प्रेस दिस विश लिस्ट बटन एंड कीप इट इन योर save, like you can keep it in your account. Now the sooner you move inside, it's so amazing, so neatly done, so very clean. If you can see the garment, it's very nice and clean. You move down, you have all specifications over here. But इससे भी ज़्यादा exciting चीज़ ये है कि आपको ये amazing लहंगा just in 31,996 में आपको easily मिल रहा है. And you have dupattas options also to select. So if you want to select single dupatta, you can select single. If you want to select double dupatta, you can select double dupatta. And if you see the garment, I mean, just look at it very closely, guys, if you want to see it. If you want to see it, you can anytime visit Amrut's website. We are all open for you 24/7. So that आपको कभी भी शॉपिंग करने का मन करे, अमृत is easily available. And this is so much affordable in rate. Generally, ये लहंगे are very costly. These lehengas are very costly. But since we have launched our website, this is offer for all the brides and all the amazing lovelies out there, ladies out there, जो ये अपने convenient पे शॉप कर सकते हैं. और अगर आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में अगर आपको लगता है कि बहुत सारी दिक्कत होती है, लेकिन अमृत में इतने अमेजिंग फीचर्स है दैट यू कैन सिलेक्ट योर ब्लाउज साइज विच यू जस्ट हैव टू मेजर एंड सिलेक्ट इट फ्रॉम योर. Okay, you can also select your lehenga waist, your lehenga length, and your height. So all these things you need to just easily select. आपको मेजर करना होता है और आप इजीली इसको सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. एंड व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन शॉप देयर. नाउ मूविंग ऑन डाउन ओवर हियर, अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम भी होती है तो यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक अ बटन, यू कैन बुक एन अपॉइंटमेंट एंड टॉक टू अ स्टाइल एक्सपर्ट हु विल गाइड यू through everything, like each and every measurement that you are getting confused, you want sizes, you want colors option, a lot many things where you cannot do it, access the website. So you can call our style expert and coordinate with him so that it becomes very easy for you to shop. And these offers are very limited, okay, like 31,000 for such heavy lehenga is like very rare to find. Like, I mean, you go to any bridal store and you come to Amrut, you're going to get the best rates. So for rate, you really have to come to Amrut, and also for such amazing designs, guys. Now, if you see, this is just the one section that I've showed you, but we have a lot. Like you can see, we have salwar kameez, we have gowns, we have saris, kurtis, unstitched also. So some people prefer not to wear stitched garments. They want to make it, design it according to their style. So all these things, all this fabric according to their occasions and colors, सारी चीजें अवेलेबल है ऑन वन क्लिक. सो ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज जस्ट क्लिक एंड शॉप. अभी बात की जाए तो सम पीपल नाउडेज आई हैव सीन कि उन्हें ब्लॉगर्स और इन्फ्लुएंसिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. सो अमृत हैज़ वेस्टर्न आउटफिट ऑल्सो. Okay, so see, you have spaghetti tops, you have fur, you have smoke tops, you have off shoulders. बहुत सारी categories है that you just need to click. You just need to click and you just have to shop. Okay, it has color wise segregations also. Track suits भी है. Okay, now your most favorite, because summer आ रहा है and many of our Indian people like shopping kurtis and stuff. So just one click and there you go. I mean, all the cotton fabrics, the linen fabrics, and just look at the design, guys. I'm just taking you through this website very quickly. आप डिज़ाइन देखोगे एक एक very selective. इनके garment details बहुत specifically दी गई है. आप देखोगे तो every garment has an offer. Like every individual garment has an offer. So all you need to do is just click and shop. So just look at this. I mean, you can wear this on any of your wedding functions also. For a cocktail party, for your Holi party. I'm very sure that Holi is coming very soon, so you can wear it. All the Punjabis out there, the Gujaratis out there, you can easily afford this. I mean, it's in a very affordable rate also, and yet this is like available for everyone. I mean, just look at these. There are lots and lots of garments that you can shop. So all you need to do is just click and get ready and get shopped. और आपको यहाँ पे देखने जाएंगे तो all types of currencies available है यहाँ पे. You just need to click and there are lots of currencies available, options available. You go down, straight down, and then it connects you directly through a WhatsApp where you just need to drop your message, drop your number and start talking to our executive out there. Now you can also connect us to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and a lot more like YouTube and everywhere. Okay, so this is that. And also moving on to a new section, that is gown is very much interesting for all people because सबको गाउन पहनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई पर्सनली लव वेयरिंग गाउन्स में भी आप गाइस देख सकते हो कि देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ऑफर्स, 20% ऑफ to 50% ऑफ, एंड दीज गाउन्स आर लाइक real amazing. I mean, and just look at their prices, guys. It's so affordable. You can wear it on any of the functions, on your cocktail parties, at your wedding functions, at your cocktail, at your mehendi. You can just easily afford them and wear it, guys. यहाँ पे custom fitting का भी option दिया जाता है, 30 days return भी होता है, and we have free shipping. The most important part is that I want to highlight that we are giving you free shipping very clearly. So आपको कभी भी मन कर रहा है कि मैं शॉपिंग करूं और आपको पता है कि आपको ग्लिटर और शाइनी बनना है, तो you just have to get down to Amrut website and start shopping. So guys, I've shown you almost all, and one more sector I have to show you, that is our Jewel by Amrut. Now this is ladies' most favorite section where you get a lot of varieties as you can clearly see, and these are all on 50%, 20% off. Like I mean, it's just flat 50%. तो आपको कोई भी ethnic wear है या कोई भी contemporary jewelry है, something like this. Okay, now young girls and teenagers love shopping virtually. Okay, so ये वेबसाइट तो आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल है ही, लेकिन आप आपके फ्रेंड्स को, आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स को भी इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन या इस वेबसाइट की लिंक आप इजीली उनको शेयर कर सकते हो. एंड टू परचेज सच कंटेम्प्रेरी ज्वेलरीज यू कैन एनी टाइम कम डाउन टू अमृत, बिकॉज ये ज्वेलरीज फ्लैट 50% पे अवेलेबल है. I mean, just not contemporary, but also the type of Indian jewelries that we have. Here it is. I mean, just look at it. Look at the clean, neatness that this website has. इतना smooth है ये access में that you can easily buy. And अब जैसे ही किसी भी ईयरिंग पे क्लिक करते हो तो ये अल्टीमेटली आपकी चॉइसेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये आपको उसी रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स बता देता है. Isn't that amazing? It's very amazing. And along with this, वो आपको टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रेसेस भी बता देगा. So Amrit website is very easy to access and it is so friendly. I'm telling you that anyone can easily sign in to our website and start shopping. I mean, और इतना अच्छा ऑफर आई एम वेरी श्योर कि आप कभी भी मिस आउट नहीं करना चाहते हो. और अगर आपको हमारे किसी भी एग्जीक्यूटिव से क्विकली बात करनी हो तो यू कैन स्टार्ट टॉकिंग फ्रॉम योर. It's so easy. You just have to type your name, number and email address and you can contact to any of our executives, our sales staff, our style expert. You can also write to us or else you can contact on this particular number that is given over here and track your orders. There's every method that we take care of. Our customer care is always available for you. And it's easy returns भी है हमारे पास. सो आप जल्दी से लॉग इन करिए वेबसाइट पे सो दैट आप जो मर्जी आए वो शॉपिंग कभी भी कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज लॉकडाउन का कोई भरोसा नहीं है. इट कैन गेट एनी टाइम अ लॉकडाउन. सो you cannot stop on your shopping. Shopping should never stop. Wearing garments and styling yourself should never stop. So I would suggest कि आप अमृत की वेबसाइट पे आइए एंड क्विक शॉपिंग करिए बिकॉज दिस heavy discounts are very rare and very less and very for a very limited time. So I'm very sure that you guys are now super excited after listening to me and you guys are going to log into our Amrit's website and are going to visit this amazing world of ours, this virtual world of ours. एंड बेफिक्र होके आप शॉपिंग करिए. आई एम assuring you as well as our sales staff, our style expert, everyone can assure you that this garment is so easily available and you can shop sitting at your home. And these offers are very limited. So hurry and rush now. And also want to show you something that is very exciting, that our client has given us a very amazing feedback. उन्होंने हमारे साथ शॉपिंग करी थी few days back and that's what she wants to tell. Okay, so if you guys have a very closer look, I want to take you to this amazing feedback.
And if you're very choosy about the outfit and that fit, that blend if you're looking for, I would really recommend visit Amrut once. They have beautiful collection and the staff is very friendly and they make sure that whatever you're looking for, they'll put all the options forward. They'll help you until you are satisfied and forget about just picking up the outfit. See, I have always been very scared of me looking perfect in my wedding lehenga, in all other ceremony dresses, and the blend of that outfit and fit, that amazing perfect blend of these two things, I found it at Amrut. And these guys, they just nailed the fitting. I mean, I did not expect being at the virtual location. I just visited once. I mean, they took all my measurements once. And when the dresses arrived, I was amazed. I loved it. I loved it. They nailed it. And so, if you are also the one for whom just the outfit doesn't matter, but the outfit with the fit matters a lot, please do visit Amrut once. I'm be rest assured about the fitting. That's my guarantee. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Team Amrut. Thank you everyone for making my day beautiful and all my ceremonies. And thank you for making me look beautiful. Thank you so much.
So, guys, I'm sure you heard about it. This is a real experience that our client had, and she is so happy. I mean, her wedding was amazingly done, and the garment fit her so beautifully. I mean, she was looking like a princess, guys. So, just not her wedding, but her reception also we took care of, and our team is very supportive. So do visit www.amrut.co, and all you need to do is just select your garment and start shopping. So I am Shamrishta, and I will see you very soon with something which is very much exciting and new that you have never experienced in the live session. So stay tuned to Amrut's page and DM us or comment, send us and write us in the comment section that what are you looking for, and whatever we have, we are going to present it to you for very sure. So stay tuned and jaldi se visit कीजिए अमृत को. Thank you so much. Bye.